In this video, I'm going to show you how you can plan out your entire day without really knowing much about the destination that you're going to and how you can do this with AI. So go ahead and head over to your bookcheat.com portal area and you're going to want to find the template called Day Planner. Go ahead and access that. Now inside Day Planner, you want to put your country. This just helps the AI specify which place, because there are places with the same name all around the world. So I'm based in England, so I'm going to do England, and let's say we're planning a nice day out to a tourist attraction, let's say Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which is ultimately a theme park in Blackpool. So we're going to generate. And now you see it gives you the full address, it tells you the best times to go, the things to do, suggested things to bring, a recommended budget, and the local restaurants around that location. Or let's say the place that you're going to isn't exactly a tourist attraction, but it's just more a generic point in a map. Let's say Manchester. So do generate. And just like that, again, it gives you best time to go, the things to do, suggested things to bring, a recommended budget for accommodation, food and activities, and then again, local restaurants in and around Manchester. And these restaurants and the things that it's suggesting are based on the highest rated criteria of things that you would likely want to actually do there. Go ahead and try this template and let me know your thoughts on it.